Alright, hello guys. Right, we're doing something different in this one. As a lot of you probably know, I am a coder, I write software. I've been doing it since I was about, 14, 12? I wrote my first machine level program when I was about 14, 15. Couldn't really get the hang of it, but I'm not going to write machine level today. But I'm going to be writing... Basically, I don't know whether or not anybody's ever heard of it, but there's a website called uudump. Now, the thing with that is, it's to get full legit copies of Windows. All you have to do is license it yourself, and you know what I mean, get your own license. But what it can do is you use a utility to extract and install an ISO, build an ISO. So you'd have to go to the website, download the setup files and obviously install it. But the big problem is it takes an age to code it. It takes an age for it to get the files off the internet. And obviously, compatibility is not good, is it? That's a confliction error, that. Anyway, what we're going to do is today I'm going to design using the old methods. I can write in most languages, including machine level, but in this particular case I'm just going to use Visual Basic Studio 6 because it's the only one that I liked. So we're just waiting for it to kick in and do its bits and pieces. It's taking its time. Alright, okay, is it not? Alright, there you go. Right, so what I want to do is build up first. I'll just use it as a standard because I'm not using it for anything as per se. But what I'm going to basically do, I have one of these little thin clients which I get the files from, the programs from, basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the thin client to extract, to download the tools required for building ASO, but they can take up to, well, the last one on the thin client took 4 days, literally, nearly 3 days, because they're only a low spec machine. So what we've got here, D drive, alright, okay, so that's a swap file. Alright, with the backup caps and my stuff. Right, okay, so I'm just making sure I know where everything is. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder and we're going to call it timer bash uudump. That'll do. That'll do. Forgive me if I'm coughing a little bit because I have got still a bit of a chest infection. So if you hear me coughing and I'm sort of grouchy in my voice, it's because I've got a chest infection. Right, so obviously we're not going to have it, you know, if you remember, I'd done it with this one here. This was the old one, which was start, and it'd be something similar to that, but a lot more intense. I could use system calls, meaning that it'll time from the, for the system, how long the system's been switched on. But I'm going to do it as a timer thing, and I'm going to do it in an old way, which will be a set of combo frames with hours and minutes and seconds and stuff and days. So in other words, uudump. I'm just going to give it a title, uudump, and that's about it really. I don't need to change any icons and stuff because I don't need that. I don't think I really need to do any sizing. I don't know why I've done that, but it don't matter. About there I do. I can resize it in a bit. Right, okay, so now obviously we got we'll just do the old reference of it, right? And this one is, I will just call it day, and then we'll just stick a clock in it, or a value. Right, we'll just change the to transparent. Is it transparent? Yeah, it's transparent. Okay, and then we've just got zero. And that's it really, that's all we need. So what we do now is we take these two, hold the shift key down, is it that way? It's right, and then we go copy, whoops, is it not copy? Copy, Control C, and then what it'll do is it'll do an array. Oh wait a minute, I want to change the fonts. Right, okay, so what we do there is just go down, go to fonts, and we're going to do 40, 18, and we should have a fair good size. That'll do. And we can resize it now. In fact, I make it bigger actually. No, that'll be fine. So what we can just do is resize it up a bit. We'll take it down because it only takes a couple of days. So about there. Voila, there you go. Now I want to make that centralized. Whoops. So there you go. Justification being in the middle, like that. That'll do. Now what we need to do now is we need to duplicate that into an array. So we can go copy, copy, paste. Yeah. So in other words, there we go. So that's the second one. So what we're basically doing is this one's gonna be, I'll leave a little space, and this one's gonna be hours. Excuse me. What hours are one? Hours. Hour. So this will be like, right, okay, so, and then we'll do the next one. If you can hear that sound, it's a plane. Hours. Minutes. In fact, I'll do seconds as well. So we've got seconds. So we got hours, minutes, seconds. Change the label. I'll just go secs. There you go. Now what we got now is a little routine there going. This is going to be the interface and the front end, the visual end, if you want to call it that. Now what we need to do now is we need to take two buttons, two command buttons. So we've got the start, which will begin the timer. And I'll just put stop, reset, stop, / reset. Just stop. But if you press start again, it'll begin again, you see. I don't know yet. I can actually put another one on this side. I can actually put a pause on. So I'll just do pause. And then reset. Right, okay, so we've got basically that. Now, obviously, when you load it, it's just going to look like that. There's no active, no coding behind it all yet. So I've got to just start doing the assembly of it. Not the assembly, the source code, basically. So I'm just going to size it up now, change the box. I can just use it 3D. Resizable? No, I want it to be kept as fixed single. So in other words, it won't be, you can't adjust it. So it'll just basically look like that. Now I want it to start off in the bottom of the screen here, maybe. So what we can do is, I think you can do it this way. So if I go, excuse me. Is there any, there's object link embedding. If we can. No, I won't do any other feet. I don't know. No, I won't do. I don't need to do anything like that. Regarding the screen, I don't need to adjust it. I can just move it myself. I could actually make it so that it appears in the bottom screen here on it by itself when you turn it on, but I'm not going to bother with that. Right, okay. So obviously you've got these, and these are one. Okay. So what I want to do is reset for TM equals 0 to label 1, is it? I'm just doing it the old way. I'm just not even including any label names. What is that one? Label 1. Yeah, label 1. Dot. Does it count? Oh, is it upper boundaries? Lower boundary. Upper boundary. I think it was upper boundary. Next. Whoops. TM. Label 1 of TM. Dot. Caption equals 0. Now, as far as I remember, there shouldn't be a bug there now. There you go. Yeah, so in other words, if those were numbers, right, I could do that. I'll just show you what I mean, right? If I go random times 50, what it'll turn out, in fact, I need it to be an integer, because otherwise it'll come out with loads of. So if I do it that way, it gives you an idea of what will happen. The numbers will be look a bit different like that, but you don't want it to do that. You want it to be all zeros. If I just keep changing, it's like playing the lot and doing the I like doing the lottery, right? But we need to be all them zeros. So you get any idea what I'm doing? Now these are all 0, so the value is 0, not in inverted commas. So these will all be 0. Right? Right, so we start now. Let me just have a drink of water. And what I'll also do is command 1 command 1 dot item equals disabled disabled equals true, is it? Enabled equals false. So basically what will happen is once you've pressed the button, oh maybe not, alright, okay, so it not work that way. It's been a long time since the last, does it count? Is it that one? Right, let's just have a look. If I press that now, will it do the same? Right, yeah, okay. 3. Which one's that one? Right, that's 2. So it's going back 1, so you have to just minus 1. I don't know why I'm doing it that way. I could do it a simpler way just by putting an if statement. Oh, it's not that. It's not higher. Alright, okay. I'll just do it the old way. Stuff it. It's easier. So in other words, 2. Just basically that. Right, okay. Dot enabled. That's why it didn't work. You can see I'm a bit rusty. Right, so now what'll happen is that'll go there and then it'll disable. But when you press the start button, I want that to enable again. Or when you stop, press the stop button. So what happens is when you press the stop button, the first thing it does is enables the reset, because you can just reset it whenever you're ready. Okay. Press. Oh, yeah, I've got it. Select case. Command 1 dot count. Is it count? Case 2. End case. Oh, case end. Is it end case? Is it case end? No. Oh, it's end select. I've got a mosquito flying around my screen somewhere. They're a nuisance. Right, okay, so in case 1. And in this particular case, case 1, we'll take this value up. I'll just do it this way, copy, Control C, Control V. Right, so in other words, what will happen now, it should reset that. Been a long time since. Item. Value takeaway 1. Is it value takeaway 1? There you go. Right, and then if you're not happy, you can just turn it back on again. Ball. Which one's that one? Select case 1. 31. Oh, memories. Command 1, 2. Command 2. Oh, that's why. Duh. You need to enable it again, don't you? So there you go. That'll make it 1. Right, so obviously we press the press the reset, ding, and then we press the pause or start. What the hell? Enabled one equals. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? It is, isn't it? So that'll reset, switches off, pause, switches back on here, but it doesn't do it. Case 1. Is it case 1? 101. Command 2 equals. Why is it not working? It should work that. Command 2 enable equals true. Okay. Yeah, should work that. Was it a? I think there was a bug in visual for that. I think it was the first case would not be seen, the first line. Go like that, reset. No. Okay. I'll have to work that one out. Why is it not doing that? Select case command equals 1. Let's put MS box. No, it's alright. I'll just go with me.caption. I'm just going to error trap it. Command 1.count. Oh, is that item? Is that just picking free? Oh, P. Me.caption. Don't they do caption anymore? Is it not that? It must not be allowed on these, but I don't know. Jesus. Oh, right, yeah. You can't put it inside before a select. Free. Oh, right, okay. So it's not allowing that value. So item. Oh, right, okay. It's been such a long time since I used it. Is it index? Let's just have a look. No, it's not index. Item, index. Compiler error, complete optional. Okay. I'm sure it was index count. What? You know what? It's been so long since the last coded in this. Let's have a look. And I'm also showing. So it command item. Is it command count? Right. Okay. So command count. Oh, payoff. Dialog samples. Well, I don't want to see. I don't want anything to do with that. I already asked for all of it to be installed. Why is he asking for the CD again? Pisses me off, that does. Oh. Just go command 1 topic. Command bar. No. I don't know. I'm not interested. I'll find a way around it. I'm sure it was command. Can you not get a help from this like that? I don't know how it works now. I've forgotten. It's been so long ago. You know what? I'll just do it the other way. What we've got, start and stop. Because I can't remember how to do it. I'll give it a tag. I'll give them tags so I can just process the tag. So tag, in this particular case it's reset. Start. And pause. Right. So what we do now is, even though it doesn't matter with that, what we can do is we'll just do VL selection equals, whoops, we'll do it the old way. I'll do it the, what's going on with his keyboard? P off. VL, it's totally different now. VL equals yeah. I know. I what I can do is I can give it command 1. Right, okay, so we'll go VL equals, whoops, command line 1. Item. Oh, no, I can just do it this way, can't I? So we can go for, I'll just do it this way. Right, so we go VL. Yeah, I know a way to do it now. Because I can't remember how to do that func index. Is it index? So if I go VL equals command 1 dot item index, was it? Is it that way? I forget now. Well, it's not doing anything. VL. Oh, right, yeah, because it's not showing it, is it? Duh. Right, okay, so ME dot caption equals VL. Now, in theoretical terms, that should, I think, change. True. What's that? Huh. I don't know. I can't remember how it works. Count. Is it item? Oh, investing. Commander's button. Command 1 dot value, was it? What's that one do? Oh, I thought poo-poo head. Poo-poo head. I am sorry guys, it's been like, since the last coded in this language was about 20 years ago. I don't know, I did write a lot of code in this, I admit. Oh, I need a drink of water. I need a coffee. Oh my. Sure it was index. Tag. Oh la la. What a pain in the buttocks. Level 2. Oh, wait a minute. Index 2, yeah, index. So if I do, oh, right, okay. So if I do index just like that, it should work. Oh! Index 1. Yeah, it should work like that. Because usually you're calling it from a... Oh, piss off. Oh, wait, is it got to be a value letter? Maybe not. What's the call for it? Name. I'm trying to do all this from memory, guys. Yeah, my apologies. Command VL equals command command 1.index. Is it? Bet that won't work neither. Told you. It ain't no laughing matter when you can't get it going. Trust me, when I was writing code for this, it didn't include so much messing around. Command dot. I'll have to look at some of my old coding. Why is it not command 1 for index? Does it work that way? One. DOS. Oh, right. Okay. Okay, so basically, yeah. So if I click on, whoops. If I click on that now and go reset, that turns off. Turn it on, it turns back on. There you go. it just shows you how long it is since I last used this. Right, I'll come on to right. Okay, so we can take that off now. We don't need it. We've got that bug fixed. Right. Okay, so what we need to do now is we'll go out the outside of it and we'll go. Was it 0? It's 0, wasn't it? Case 0. Right, okay. Now in this particular case, one sec, I'm just gonna, have I got, well, dropping on my hard drives. Alright, okay. I'm just gonna have 1 second, I'm just gonna have one of those lozenge things, because my throat's getting a bit, I live near a volcano, and it's kicking up a fuss on my chest at the moment. And plus I've just had a chest infection, so not good, yeah. Get out. Why is it lozenges always stick in the wrappers? Even you bugger. Open. Okay. Right. That should help. Right, so we got the 0. Well, we got start. And we have we're going to add what's called a timer. We can go on now. Right, okay. There's a timer. That'll do. Right, so timer 1 dot interval equals 1000, so it's 1000 a second. A 1000 of a second of interval is 1 second. Timer dot enabled false. It's as easy as that. Now what we do, we're just going to do it a simple way. We need seconds, so we're going back in order. So right, level 3, yeah, okay. If label 3, whoops, level 1, is that label 1? Right. So if you look, see what I'm doing there, after a set, in fact I'll show you. Just basically what Oh, it can't yet anyway because I haven't got. I need to start the timer. So what we're going to do now is on 0, timer 1 enabled. Now watch this. That's not good, is it? Oh yeah. Idiot. I could do a width with the thing and just put a dot and width. What's that? Oh, piss off. There you go. So what will happen now is the timer will go. Oh, label 3. Alright, okay. You can see I'm a bit rusty. Now it'll run. And obviously when it gets to 59, see, I'll be setting that at works. That's hours. Now what we do, 24 hours. We need to do 1 is equal less greater than 24 hours, 23. You switch over to 0. There we go. That's a 24-hour thing. So what that'll do basically is it'll count the seconds up to minutes to hours, then whatever. So let's just speed up time a little bit to make it a bit more easier for you to understand. So if I do now and I changed the time interval to about, I don't know, about 100. So it's a quarter of a second. What? Now then, watch this. Oops. Oh yeah. My apologies. Label 3 1 of 3 dot caption. And I could, there's other ways of doing it, obviously, but I'm just doing it this way, just for the fun of it, because and that's just resetting them. Oh, that's day 2. And then label 1 of 1 equals caption. So it resets each day. Whoops. So now what that should do now is this. So we finally got there. Should go to 59 and then switch to another minute. Dink, there you go. Dink, there you go. But where if I even speed it up even faster, so if I go 25, which is even less than that. Just a simplified clock. I could even go faster than that. I bet the fastest is that one, which is a millionth of a second, isn't it? Actually, if you'd done it in machine code, it'd be a lot faster. But I'm a bit rusty on machine level. I usually write it in like CPM and 6502, so. Excuse me. Oh, it's chest infection. Oh, is it one? Can you do it at 1.1? Will it be really fast? Yeah, it won't allow that one. I thought it wouldn't. What I can do actually, I could go and say that one. Label catch VL equals command index, is it? Yeah, it is. VL index. Label 1 input box. Is it input box? Message box. Input box. DD equals input box. Yeah, it is input box. Title prompt. VL. Title. Command. Whoops. 1. Dot caption. Change. Oh, I'll just do it that way. Default. I could change that. I'll just do it that way. And then, excuse me, label, whoops, label 1. Dot VL equals DD. There you go. Now what I can do now is I can add the pause. So if you go and pause now, where is it? Where's the structure of a pause here? Right, so let's pause. Enabled, and go timer. Enabled equals false. So it turns off the timer. So we got that now. Zip it. Oh, what's going on there? What am I doing there? What am I doing wrong? Oh, right, okay. Right. So that'll now just kick on in to do 1, 2, 3. But what I can do now is I can press pause and I could go 2 hours and minutes 59 seconds. 59 seconds and 55 seconds. In fact, we can go on to that one now and just change it to 23 hours. right, and then we click it and it should just go and turn the day one over. No, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, I love coding. Right, what's gone on there then? So this 23 to. Oh, here I go. There's 21 0 capture and it equals 21. This. Okay, try it now. So what we can do here now, we take that, go 23 hours, 59 minutes. Let's do it now. 55 seconds. Let's see what it does. It should switch over to 1 minute, 1 day. You ball. Why is it not? It's my fault because I don't use. What have I done it here? One, but one, two, it's greater than 24. Okay. 21. Right. Okay. 21 plus 1. And then the 0. Oh, right. Okay. 1 should be 0. No. Yeah, 1 should be. That's right, isn't it? 3, 2, 1, 0. So caption 1 is greater than 23, then plus 1. That's right. Okay. Why is it not doing it? That should be right, that. I hate debugging programs. Let's go 23, 59, 55. Start it. Oh, why is it do? Is this? It's some of what's resetting on the minutes, isn't it? What have I done on the minutes? It says. Oh wait, what am I doing here? Is that 0? That's 0. It's resetting on the minutes, isn't it? 2. Oh, wait a minute. What's it doing here? That, I think that should be right now. Right, 23, 59, sick of this, 55. Right. Now, what a ball. What am I doing wrong here? One equals 0. I was doing something right. What am I? 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, and then label 1 of 0 to caption. Label 1 of 0 caption +1. I think I've got it now. You could say it's been a while. 23, 59, 55. Now let's see. You bollock. What am I doing wrong? That should reset. Oh, what am I doing here? What the heck? This is the bit what coders hate about debugging the software. What have I done wrong? Right. 23, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1. Caption equals +1. What am I doing? 2 here, 2, 1. Captain. Hey? let me work it out. 23. That's 0, isn't it? North. Right, +2. That's 1 equals 0, yeah. I don't know why I think I'm probably tired more than anything. That's what my excuse is. Right, so label 1 of 0. Have I done it already? Did I? Oh right, yeah I am actually. So I don't need that bit. I'm hoping that'll work now. A lot of it is because I'm tired and I forgot a lot of it. Excuse me, 24. I don't do as much coding nowadays. I'm more just, as you can tell, I just do a lot of gaming. Right, let's try it. Fingers crossed. Ding! Cha-ching! Right, so if I pause that and I go 23, 59, bloody works now. Bugger. Right, and then we got, oh no, I can just do 59 again. Whoops. 59 and go 55. Start again, it should switch over to 2 days. Ding, there you go. See what I mean? See how it works now. My apologies about that, guys. It's been, I had to think about that one. My brain's half awake at the moment. So I'm getting ready for bed. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I ain't got the energy as I used to do. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing and you hear me moaning about certain things, drop a like. I'll actually show it you compiled. So in other words, yeah, I'll just do that. And we'll just do clock. uudump. Oh right, okay, so I need to take it into another folder. My stuff. And it all get saved in there. Apart from the main one, which is saved vb. Okay. Right. What we can do now is recent. We build it into a uudump timer. We need to point it at the desktop and we're off. There you go. So now there should be a compiled version. There it is for everyone to see. Right, okay, so we go 59, 23, 59, 55, and I'll just show you something, right? If it's gone over 99 days, it should show 100. I don't know whether or not you format correctly. Let's have a look. Oh right, so it's alright. Right guys, I'm going to go because I've had enough and I need to drink something because my mouth is drier than the Sahara Desert. Right guys, take care, see you soon. You know where I am. If you like this type of stuff, comment about it. Just bear in mind I haven't used this programming language for a long time. Right, I'm going. Ciao for now.